Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the DM8 smartwatch, and on this video we will continue our demo for the smart notifications. This time we will focus on the WhatsApp application, Viber, and text messages or SMS messages. So if you are interested to see the DM8 smartwatch smart notification, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's proceed with the smart notification. For those of you who did not watch the previous video for the smart notification, we already set the notification function for the smartwatch. This time we will demo the WhatsApp application, so we already activated it here. So where's our WhatsApp application? As you can see, we toggle it on. We also have here the Viber app and the SMS reminder. Okay, so seems like everything is okay. So let's have a demo of the first app, WhatsApp application. So let's send a message. Let's say hello. Hopefully we can receive a notification from the application, and we have it here. Hello, view messages. We have the logo, the date, and the messages. You have an option also to delete. Let's try to add an emoji. Let's see if there's a support for emoji. Hi. And we have here the message. As you can see here, there's no support for emoji. Okay, let's have the call. So someone's calling. Okay, you can receive a call notification, missed call notification, but you cannot answer it. On our previous video for the messenger, you can answer calls from messenger here on the smartwatch, but for the WhatsApp application, there's no option for that. Next, let's have the Viber app. Let's send a message. Send hello. Again, if there is delay or there's no support, already activated the notification feature for the Viber app, and we have it here. Okay, so we have a support for Viber, but we don't have a personalized logo. We do have here the generic logo for Viber app. Next, let's have a missed call and call. Okay, so we do have a missed call notification from Viber. So there is a support for missed call notification. Next, before we end, let's have the last one. Let's have an SMS or text messages. Let's say hello. Let's see if there's a support for smart notification. Although there's an option in the support app, sometimes it's not working. So we have here the SMS. As you can see, we have a different logo for SMS. We have hi here, and our previous message we have hello. Okay, so it works for notifications or SMS notifications. It also works with Viber and the WhatsApp application. And on our previous video, it also works with Messenger and Instagram. So that's it for our demo for the smart notification feature or push notification for the DM8 smartwatch. So if you are Interested to know more about the DM8? Drop a comment below and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!